G'day, my name's Pete, and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This jade tree is 20 years, 10 months old, and it's needing to be repotted. The pot itself is another one like last week's where it's just broken apart, and we just need to repot it and then give it a little bit of style. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so I found that this one, the root system was a big mess. So I ended up, what I did is I cut the whole base flat with a saw and made it so it's got a new flat base. This is the piece that I took off of it. So, you know, as you can see, it's all one big piece, and there wasn't a lot here that I could do with. So I did that. I just cut it all off, and now I've got a nice flat base for this tree. Yeah, I think this tree's got a nice base on it. It's quite big, nice. I'm not sure what's going to be the front of this tree. I'd like to see that come out, so I can just see what remains in there. Yeah, nice little concave. Alright, now I think I like this as a branch, but I think I'm going to keep it stubby as it is. Alright. So yeah, I think basically that's going to be it, and I'm just going to let it go and see how it looks over time. You know, as usual with the trees, they need time to re-establish. They've just had most of the roots cut off of it, and yeah, we're just going to let it go now. And as I water it, as usual, I will look at it. I'll go, yeah, no, I don't like that. Yeah, that looks good actually, but I need to do this, and then we'll go from there. I'm not sure about the front anymore. It could be that, or it could be that. Either way is going to be nice. This way I think is sort of nice because I've got the you know, the hollow to show, and a bit of a wound there in the tree, and this as well. So that may end up being the front, but we'll see as time goes by. And hope you appreciated it and enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next time.